Welcome back to Tomato Tech, or now with my new name PC Master Race _setup, which comes from my Instagram account, so make sure to check that one out as well. It's pretty big right now and I want to keep going to 50k followers. But now today we have a little unboxing from the Cougar Puri and the Cougar 500M. So let's jump right into it. So this is also the first time for me opening the boxes, as you can see. So we had the experience together. So let's see what's inside this 500M mouse, 4000 dpi sensor and 1 millisecond response time. Yeah, some nice product pictures and all the features are listed here, but otherwise not much on the box which would interest us. So let's go ahead and open this and let's see what's inside. Maybe it's the wrong way around, I don't know. Oh, it's kinda stuck. Wow. What is wrong here? Wow. Am I not supposed to take this out or? Oh, okay. We got it. Oops. Box is a little damaged now, but okay. Here you get your manual, which we don't use, as always. Some nice stickers. I like that they provide some stickers. You know, I like to stick them on my notebook, so got some new stickers for there. Then let's go ahead and look at this mouse. Also again wrapped in some plastic to protect it. Okay, got it. Good. Okay, so first thing I see, nicely braided cable. We always like to see that, so cable lasts a long time. Looks also quite long. I think that should be enough to route over to my computer, which is over there. So okay, let's make a little check. The mouse is quite big, quite long. I have pretty small hands, so keep that in mind when buying this, but for me it fits pretty good. We have some extra buttons right here. The scroll wheel, which does it? Not sure. No, I think it does not act as a side scroll, but that's okay. And of course your DPI switch right here. And here should be some RGB lighting, and I think also some underglow right here. And other than that, it's just gray and white. Nice finish, pretty sturdy. Weight wise, it is quite a heavy mouse, I think. I have to check again for the correct details. Maybe I will make a full review of it. So that's the Cougar 500M gaming mouse. Second thing I want to have a look at is the Puri RGB. This is the full-size keyboard. There's also a 60% design, but I have the full one with the number keys and all of it. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead. Maybe turn this around so you can see it better. And let's see what's inside. Here it is, the keyboard itself. It comes with this nice protective cover, so you can use it for LAN parties or whatever. So you can take it with you and it won't get damaged. I think it's magnetic, so let's just remove it. Also some protective stickers. This is the cover, you can see the magnets here, which hold them in place. Looks quite neat, so... But let's have a look at the keyboard itself. Oh wow. Okay, this thing is solid, very solid. Yeah, also here you can see the screws aren't hidden, but that's also due to the cover. The magnets land on the screws. So yes. Then let's have a look at the back side. Here you have your 2 height adjustment, and you can also route the cable, which is also nicely rated and also quite long, same as the mouse. You can also route it this way, which I will do because I want to route it together with this cable of the RGB mousepad. So yes, mechanical keyboard. Here you have your sound test. That's it. And yeah, it also has 16.8 million colors, but there is no software control. We will see us again when I will plug this in, and then we can have a look at the lighting. Okay, so here I am back with everything installed. Of course, not final cable management. Just to keep in mind, that's not how I like it. And as you can see, it does not light up underneath here, which would have been nice, but okay. And it only glows a bit here without RGB, but that's okay. It's also not a very expensive mouse. I like that they sent me this because we only agreed for the keyboard, but they sent me this as like a present, and I wanted to show you this as well. So the keyboard, which is of course the main thing of the video, comes with RGB lighting, not software controlled, but you can make some custom keys with custom lighting settings as you like, because it has 16.8 million colors, so yeah, you can do whatever you want with the lighting. Also there are some built-in effects like this one, like this rainbow, and of course you can adjust the brightness and stuff. Don't know if you can see it somewhere or not, I don't know. Strange. Ah, now like this you can change the lighting. Now I found it out. So yeah, very nice, very vibrant colors. I like it. Maybe I will put on some custom keys which are white, so they match the mouse a bit better. And yeah, that's about the video. Little unboxing of those two things, this time with my voice and not only music. So see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Bye bye.